Okay, the next thing that we're interested in is the infrared sensor. If you look carefully at the sensor, you'll see that it's curved on one side and it's flat on the back. It has three legs. One leg, two of the legs are for receiving power, so we get the 5-volt feed and then the ground, so the electricity can flow in and out. And then the third leg is for sending information to the Arduino unit. So in order to set this up, very simple. All we're going to do is we're going to make sure we've got the curved surface facing us and the flat surface away from us. The middle leg is the ground. So electricity goes in through the right leg and out through the middle leg. So we're going to put the 5-volt electricity going in through the right leg, and we're going to have the ground coming out through the middle leg. This third leg, the left leg, is going to be to send data to the Arduino. So we're going to plug that into somewhere else on the circuit. So to connect this, we're going to spread the legs slightly, and we're going to make sure that the middle leg goes into the same row as the ground. And we're going to make sure the right hand leg goes into the same row as the 5-volt, and the left hand leg goes outside of the circuit. So like so. Okay, so hopefully you can see here that the right hand leg lines up with the 5-volt and it's on that same row. The middle leg is in the same row as the ground, and then the left leg isn't connected to any part of the circuit. It's outside of the circuit. We're going to connect that leg to digital 2. Now, since it won't reach all the way over to digital 2, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to use a jumper wire. Now, jumper wires are these little cables for connecting these kinds of circuits together. They look like this. This is our jumper wire. And in order to connect that leg to digital 2, we plug one in the same row as the left leg, and then we plug the other side into digital 2 over here. And so by doing that, we're making a bridge between the left leg and digital 2, rather than trying to stretch that leg all the way over that circuit. So now, just to make sure before we connect any power to anything, right leg is in the same strip as our 5-volt, middle leg is in the same strip as ground, and the left leg is outside of those circuit into one of those spare rows at the end, and then we bridge that over to digital 2.